guys, welcome back to my channel, Gaming with Samara. Actually, gaming Roblox. So today we are gonna play Piggy, but it's 100. So my friend is also online. Hi Shreya.
Hi, Varshu.
Yeah.
And
So
guys, before we both starting, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, my channel name is Shreya Sweet Little Sweet Lily. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel.
and press that bell icon.
Yes,
Please subscribe
and
my
we are
friend's
really,
channel
really, and we are really, really waiting for her player and 1 million. Sorry, 1 million subscribers.
yeah, and
So please like, share, subscribe.
give us your love and support. So let's
Yeah.
start Harshu. I mean Shreya.
Yes.
Yup. So I joined Piggy, but it's 100 layers. I mean 100 players.
I'm so working. This is working for me.
Sorry,
Hello.
pardon.
Yeah, actually, I'm not getting this.
You can rejoin. Just rejoin.
Yeah, you don't rejoin. It's not coming. It's fully black, and joining server shrinking that.
Yeah, wait. Just wait for 5 minutes. If doesn't come, we will join another server.
Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Yup.
Am I hearing a sound? Because I already joined.
Yeah. So guys, I have joined the game. Um it's loading really slow, but it's okay. We can wait for 1 minute. Yes, guys. So
Machine.
yeah. Yes, Shreya.
Are you hearing it? Because I cannot find your name in the server.
You can join to my server, right? Because my net is
I
slow.
don't see the server name.
Just a second. Let
Okay,
me see.
I'm there. Okay.
You joined from which device, Shreya?
Try to recreate.
What? What?
Actually, I'm rejoining.
Okay.
Actually, I'm just rejoining.
Hey, you're there. You're there. You're there.
I'm just joining now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Shreya
now I'm.
2838.
Yeah.
Yup.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. But it's
You. Yeah.
really blank for me.
Yeah. It's two for me too. Now it's came. Now it came.
Oh,
I
it's.
think so. I cannot find your name. Can you please send a hi? Yeah, I got you. I got you.
Yeah.
I got. Even I got so glitchy.
Maybe we should reset our character.
Think so. No, everybody's saying it's so glitchy.
No. We'll just reset our character.
Okay, let me try it.
Yes.
Actually, can I hear for them? Can they hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, watch me. I cannot come.
Just a second.
It's fully black and black. I guess I'll play Freedom Facility, and even I'm recording. Watch me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to record now.
Yes.
Hi friends, this is Shreya, and today we are going to play PG Facility. Are you ready? Okay. And before we are starting, please like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video. And don't forget to click on the bell icon and press. And I am waiting for 1 million subscribers. And please do subscribe to my friend's channel. My friend's channel name is. I think so. My friend is online also. Hi, Vashni.
Yeah. So please subscribe my channel, Gaming with Samara and Vashni Shetty's vlogs, and press that bell icon. And I'm waiting for your love and support and your 1 million
Yeah.
subscribers. Thank you, guys.
Even I'm I'm waiting for your love and support. And please, I'm really, really, really we both are really, really, really waiting for 1 million subscribers. Please get your love and support for us.
Yes.
I think so, Roshni. Which game you're playing?
What?
Which game you're playing?
Piggy.
Oh, Piggy. Actually, I'm playing CD and
Oh, is it
guys,
so?
he at
Okay,
he
maybe.
needs to open it. Oh, which is for me. I think guys, it's too beautiful for me.
Shreya, your voice is breaking.
Even your voice is breaking because I'm recording, Roshni.
Okay. Which game are you in?
I'm in Freedom Facility.
Okay, let
Over
me
here,
join.
the players also so less. Can you please join?
Yes. So, guys, I changed my plan. So, I am playing Flee the Facility with my bestie Shreya. So, Flee the Facility beta. Yeah, joining server.
I'm watching. I can see you. I'm in front of you.
Yeah.
And
So
friends,
it's
whenever you beast, you have been found in here. Beasts do not have C and they cannot climb. They will have Q. Q means to run and E means to open the door. And so many things I should. In this game, the secret spot is there. Roshni, let's
yeah.
go. And if you want to crawl, let's see.
Shreya,
Yeah.
I think your server is full. In my server, no one is there. Can you join in my server, please?
Actually, you are in my server.
No. Oh, yeah. Now it came. Now it came. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Roshni, are you ready? Oh, are you ready for the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, game is starting.
So, guys, so let's go. We have joined late, so we have came here. Yeah. So
I'm the server.
I am
Even
me.
server.
Even
Yeah,
me.
you're
I am a survivor.
And if you want to see your friends towards there, up you can see. And if you please be careful from the beast.
Yeah.
Hide off them. But don't make your health and die, please. That's real death. And if a hack door open. Actually,
Guys,
people,
if you get a sound of heartbeat, it means the beast is near you. So you should be a little careful.
oh guys, I made really a mess. Oh,
I can hear the beast sound. OMG, he's near me. I should hide. Quick.
oh guys, even I can see the beast light. Oh, but
Man.
it found me. Friends, guys, the beast found me, I think so, because I got the purple light.
Yeah, guys, I'm hiding from the beast. OMG, somebody save me.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh my gosh. I'm working. Are you like in computers like that?
No, I can't find any of them.
Like a maze type. Are you there in like a maze type?
Yup. Yeah.
Like black, brown.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, even I'm only there only. I'm hiding lastly.
Last?
Yeah, last cabin.
I am also in last, but no one is here. I am
Where are
alone.
you? Once again, I'm coming. Where are you?
Like, there will be black and brown, these things.
That is you. That is you. Is it
Yeah.
you?
Which
It's
one?
just you.
Who?
You made a mess.
Just a second.
Oh, guys, can you see the purple light? He is going there. Roshni,
Yeah.
where did I miss? You came there?
I'm going. There's an error here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Don't go there. Don't go there because the beast is over there.
Oh, is it so?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try to avoid the beast. I found a computer here. Yep.
Guys,
Have to
do you
hack
think
it
we should
fast.
go? I may think so. I should go. Hey,
Yeah. So guys, you can see, right? I am.
this
OMG.
boy just missed.
The beast is here.
Hey, are you there? In that?
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
are you there?
yes, I'm there.
Oh my gosh! Don't be there. Don't run at it.
Guys, I'm near the beast and I'm really, really scared, guys. Thank God I survived.
You can survive here.
Yes.
Oh.
So sad.
One person just.
Shreya, where are you?
I'm on here hiding. I'm real scared to go out of from here.
So there will be green, red, blue lights, right? Full of room.
Yeah, I know that one.
I'm there. I'm hiding over there.
I'm coming. I think so. I may come. Is that beast is there here?
Maybe, yeah. He is there. You can hear the heartbeat, right?
No.
Then you come. Guys, I'm feeling really, really scared, guys. I don't know whether the beast will come, guys. There are more 11 minutes. How can I survive, guys? OMG.
And guys, even me too. It's so hard to do, you know. And we are really hard to like hack and go to hide.
Shreya, we need to make a promise. If you are captured by the beast, I will save you. If I am captured, you save me, please.
Okay, I'll try my best to save you when I capture.
Yeah. OMG. Where am I?
The beast just left again. Guys, just now I was really scared.
Huh?
Yeah,
I failed. How come I fail?
yeah, we all are failed. Guys, just a minute.
How can I fail? Nobody killed me, right?
Just 1 second.
Yeah. What's this? How can this is possible? This is cheating. What the hell? Shreya, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, sorry for late. Actually, I got some little work. Okay, and I'm going to show you a secret one. Secret spot. If you're
Guys,
playing with if you're
Shreya.
out and yeah,
Shreya, come here.
yes.
Do this crystal curve.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is
So
super
now,
cool.
see. Yep.
And see, this is a really fantastic, you know.
Yes,
This is like
guys.
like a dance floor. It's totally pro, but so nice, you know. This game is so fun and nice.
Yeah. What can we do here, Shreya?
Oh,
Oh no.
I'm the beast,
I fell down, Shreya.
but I'm the beast. Guys, I'm really nervous. I think so. I will be founding people.
What
What
the?
me?
What?
Can you please promise me whenever you are the beast, you should not kill me, and whenever I'm the beast, I will not kill you. Promise?
Prom.
Thanks.
But
you
I
please
didn't
tell
even join the game. I don't know where am I. Yeah. Now I
in the
came.
game.
I came now. I came now. Guys, it's really, really dark. I don't know why. Who is the beast?
And me?
You?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am sure.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I have found one person just now, but he escaped. Uh-oh. I think I think I'll be finding people, and it's so dark. Rishi,
What?
where are you?
Nowhere. Hey, come fast to me. There's a guy here. Come fast.
How do I know? Where am I? Where are you? Just mess. Do you have any computers there?
Yeah.
Just mess up there.
Yeah, okay.
I've been just waiting over here.
No, he's already hacking that computer, so I can't make a mistake right now.
Please.
I'm trying my best, but he's not letting me to.
It's okay. Just do.
Wait, where are you exactly right now?
I'm exactly right now. I'm over here like cabins we have on so many things, etc.
There will be a chairs like offices. There will be no.
I got you.
Yeah, there's a error. There's a error. Come fast. He's running away. He ran away. Come fast.
He's over here.
Go fast.
Yeah, I'm trying my best, guys. This is the scariest part, and this is the funniest part too, and nervous too. You know.
Guys,
Is there
it's
an
really,
error?
really dark. Yeah, he went off. He ran off, but I was telling you to come fast. Why didn't you? He ran away.
No.
He ran away right now. I can't help you.
Oh. Can I please kill you for once, and people will can save you.
Hey, he's here only. I found him. Come fast.
Where?
Yeah. Ha, he went here only. Come. Come with me. He was here only somewhere. Maybe up the steps. On the steps he is maybe.
No.
Come. But he just dashed me and he went. I don't know where exactly he is. But he just crashed me and went off.
Oh, I think so. Guys, this is really nervous part, and this is really dangerous part, you know. And it's so nice game, this one, and it's too horrible.
Shreya, where are you?
I'm back of you.
Oh, okay.
Can I please hit you?
What?
Can I please hit you, cut you, please?
But I want to hack at least one computer.
Fine, but I'm not able to find, please.
We'll see.
Please.
Okay. Not now only.
Sorry.
What the? Hey, wait for 1 minute. Donkey. Somebody save me, please. I'm freezing. I froze.
No.
Guys, my bestie killed me. I'm also gonna kill her. Oh, somebody's there. Please, save me, donkey. Yay!
No, shut. Guys, this is
I should find an exit. I should find one exit. How should I find? Harshu, where is the exit? You know?
Please stop.
Why I should stop?
Because I found a person and
Oh.
dared to save him. Yeah, but you can save him.
Oh. Curious Katsa. Where did you find Ray?
He's in an exit.
Oh. Yeah, I escaped!
Guys.
I escaped. I got $20. I rescued a server and I escaped. Guys, I'm really happy, guys. I escaped. I escaped. Oh man.
Can you please stop, Roshi?
Yeah, yeah, dibble, dibble, yeah, dibble,
Actually, I am like this. I'll show you. I'm on my.
Yeah,
Like
I
this.
escaped, I escaped, I escaped, I escaped,
And I don't have any. I'm having zero money, you know, guys.
I have
This is
20
really
bucks.
unfair.
Shreya, I'm having 20 bucks.
And excuse me, Varshni, I'm having 129 bucks.
Then you said you don't have any money? What kind
Now
of
I
joke
got.
is it? Oh man.
And guys, I'm going to show you and hiding places in this game. We can we can hide over here. A small hole
It's
here
intermission. You can't show any
and over
places.
here. Like this.
Shreya, I hope you can listen.
Yeah.
It's intermission. You can't show anyone any place. Hope you
It's okay,
understand.
but it's okay, but. And guys, this is really nice. See? See? And actually, in past, there was a game so here we used to play.
What? Loading. It's loading. Stress. It's loading.
Yeah. And
And
guys, this last game and last game.
I am the
And
beast.
stop.
Oh, sorry, I am the survivor. I'm
Please
the
stop.
survivor.
Oh my god, you just scared me.
Ha 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 ha.
Can you please? Roshi, I think so. You promised me something. Hello, Roshi.
Ha, tell.
I think so. You promised me something.
No.
You promised me.
No.
You promised me.
Where are you?
I'm in this main thing.
Okay.
And we'll
Come
see
here.
mess up.
Color lights are there, no? Color lights.
Wait, please. I will now work. Over here. That's me. That's me. I think so. Please confirm me. 1 second, guys. Just a second.
Oh! Hey, help me, Shreya! Shreya! Help me, I died! I'm captured, help me!
Yes?
Help me! Here only!
Why did you just run?
Come help me, please!
I'm coming.
Time is going to over! I am almost... See... అయ్యో ఎట్లా వెళ్ళాలి అమ్మో ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ రే అగైన్ షీ కిల్డ్ మీ డాంకీ గర్ల్ అరే అగైన్ హెల్ప్ మీ కమ్
She also killed me.
యూ షీ కిల్డ్ యూ నో షీ didn't kill you
She's going to kill me.
no come please help me however yeah you are captured what what mommy simply man she killed everyone guys okay hmm.
And guys, I think so. This is time up. And before we are leaving,
Shreya
share and subscribe to my channel.
Shreya
Channel 2. Yes?
are you stopping the recording okay guys so I think that's it for today guys so see you again with another new game bye thank you that's it for today and please subscribe my channel and if you want any new games comment in the comment section and tap that bell icon and give us your lots of love and support and do subscribe my friend's channel otherwise she will be angry on me is it so Harshu
No way.
okay that's guys. Bye. ఆపేసిన